So here's a cool thing about retirement and living so close to the beach. You can just get up and decide, you know what, I think I'll go journal at the beach this morning instead of the patio. So I'm gonna make some time for the beach today, listen to the sound of the waves crashing in and journal there, see what inspires me and just take it slow and continue reading this fabulous book. Come with me. Alrighty, I got my chair, my water, my sunscreen. Always take a little money and my ID, my breakfast, my journal and book. Got my hat that I'll wear and my towel. I think I am ready. Let me just grab an extra water. Okay, here we go down the same familiar street. Gonna walk over to the beach. Got my chair on my back and my hat on for sun protection. My face is already so sweaty. You put that sunscreen on and it's like, whew. All right, let's go. And we made it to the beach. It's already been an hour. I cannot believe how fast time flies. I am just so relaxed out here on the beach, reading my book and just enjoying the weather. It's very, very mild today. The sun is wonderful, but it's not too extreme. Of course, it's only 10 in the morning. And the humidity is not bad at all. But I don't want to overdo it. So I am going to just read a little bit more of my book and then pack up and make my way back. Okay, that's enough beach for today. Let's go home and enjoy the afternoon.